start. Already then. Yeah. What we gonna do today? Gonna try to get out down to the highway of Kings Highway, one of the very best roads within 100 miles of this area. So we're gonna try to get out there. Also, I want to get down to my farm road and do some first gear wheelie practice. I really need to learn my slow control when it comes to wheelies, and learning first gear or working in first gear is going to be really the way to come about my slow control more quickly. So we're going to try to get out there and do that. So we're going to see what we could do. We're gonna see what we can do. As I'm down here ripping my third gear wheel banger. Something I know how to do, quite frankly. So I might take this part on later in the video. I'm sure I'll drop a tag as to what time. my good old farmer's field, right? Good old reliable farmer's field. It's like very rarely is there any kind of traffic whatsoever down here. It's a good spot to get the drone up. 3, 2, 1, launching. Take 2. Clap. Extract. Okay. Okay, so the difference is on the second launch is I actually just connect it with Wi-Fi, my phone, to the beacon. And maybe that helped the GPS a little bit, because now it's willing to follow. Oh fuck. I guess we're gonna try to get some first gear pops. See how it goes. Okay, bad. Okay. Slightly better. Okay. So somewhere in this range. Down. Okay, so okay. So yeah, trying to get first gear. Okay, a little crooked. Okay. First gear is very torquey. It's very difficult. Once I hit that chop, it was too late. Okay. Okay, I don't really want to give up on first gear though, you know? I don't really want to give up on first gear. Almost. Almost. Okay. It's working on that pop, you know? Back brake down. Never got it up all the way, but more steady on the gas, which is promising. Get a little nervous when I start tipping it back, you know? Okay, let's just okay. Try to get on the back brake a little sooner. That might be the key to first gear, is really getting on that back brake. Okay, back brake twice there. Yeah. I don't know if that was the right way. Let's turn around and find out. Probably not. Okay. That looks good. So really trying to get on first gear. At the very least, it should be smooth. I kind of swinged the butthole a little bit. Let's try second gear. Let's mix it up with a second gear one. Oh shit. Funny. Okay, one more first gear one. Okay. A little smoother. Tiny bit smoother, huh? Okay. Try to sit back a little bit. Left dug out for balance. It did help. Okay. Screamer. Screamer. Woo, fuck. It just felt like I was coasting. I didn't like that feeling at all. Woo, fuck. Okay. Can we get second gear? Done so many first gears. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you got to get used to that a little bit more. Oh shit. It's not where I wanted that at all. Let's see if you ever got where you're supposed to be. No? There you go. That's where you belong. Back where you belong, motherfucker. Oh god. Clutch hand, sore. Clutch hand sore, right? Jesus Christ, I just want smooth. Ah, shit. Okay. Ah. Throttle chop. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, well, let's see if we can get anything here. Okay, we got the battery warning, so okay. Okay, so we got the battery warning, so we're gonna get back. Okay. Alright, anyway, if you like my content, why don't you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Let's see. Okay. Well, another emergency landing for the Skydio, but if you like my content, why don't you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I made it down to the Highway of Kings. We'll find out.